Hi everyone. I wanted to go over a strategy that some of our learners have been confused about. So this is something called the staircase strategy. So whenever we want to find unique combinations, so remember unique is when there's no other copy. When we want to find unique combinations, we use something called the staircase strategy. So in this example, there are 5 in a box. So we start with 1 and 4. And then next, you might notice a pattern in the numbers. Next, it's 2 and then 3. And then 3 and 2. And finally, 4 and 1. So we call this the staircase strategy because when you put all of the same color on the same side, you make a staircase. So that's the staircase strategy. So some of our learners have only been doing one side of the staircase, but not seeing that the staircase, you have to start side to side first so that you know how many there is of one number and how many there is of the second number. So we have, let me show you a few examples. So this is when there are 10 apples. But then, for example, when there are 9 apples, we start with 1. 1 and 8 is the same as 9. 2 and 7 is the same as 9. 3 and 6 is the same as 9. 4 and 5 is the same as 9. 5 and 4 is the same as 9. 6 and 3 is the same as 9. 7 and 2 is the same as 9. 8 and 1 is the same as 9. So of course, again, here is the staircase. So this is one box of apple boxes, one way of showing a combination. So again, if we start with 1, 1 and 8, and you make the staircase, you will get all the unique combinations. There's no other copy. So we talked about how even if you move, for example, the red one over here, there's still 1 red and 8 green. Even if you move the red one over here instead and made this one green, it's still 1 red and 8 green. So talk about how for unique combinations, it really doesn't matter where you move the different things because the number is still the same. So here it is on a different example without colors, but labeling with letters instead. So again, R for red, G for green, 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 5 and 2, 6 and 1 are all the same as 7. So there are 7 apples or 7 things, and there are 6 unique combinations, different ways to combine both together to still get the same outcome. So another example. So this is very similar. This is just like the initial staircase. However, now I also have the number sentence. Over here, I only labeled how many there are of each color. But then here is the number sentence because you have the plus and then equals. So remember, the number sentence is when you have plus is the same as . So learners, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And always feel free to ask a grown-up, and because maybe a grown-up at home can help you too.